Surendran Ji is going to win with a margin which India is going to look back.
Extremely well, final day, and I think we've clinched the deal. The voters want us back.
There is that 15 lakhs. The next election he said, मैं किसानों की आमदनी डबल करूंगा.
केरल में 3 खेमे पड़े हुए हैं, एक कम्युनिस्टों का, दूसरा कांग्रेस और मुस्लिम लीग का, और तीसरा एनडीए का खेमा हुए.
See, people are telling me that the election is not a big issue for them, but the human-animal conflict. Yes, human-animal conflict.
दुनिया में कम्युनिस्ट समाप्त हो गए हैं, देश में भी कम्युनिस्ट समाप्त हो गए हैं और कांग्रेस देश में समाप्त हो गई है. आने वाला समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी का है.
The manifesto is more for the people of Pakistan, less for the people of India. The Congress party has done a manifesto which will snatch resources from the common people, and Congress will destroy the economy of this country.
ये चुनाव जो भाजपा के बड़े बड़े नेता हैं, प्रधानमंत्री जी इंक्लूडेड, उनके व्यवहार से ये लग रहा है कि चुनाव उनके पक्ष में नहीं जा रहा, क्योंकि वो ऐसा लगता है कि बौखलाए हुए हैं, बहकी सी बातें कर रहे हैं.
The Congress Party, the UDF, the India Alliance will do extremely well, and the first round of elections has displayed that the BJP is on a back foot, and we know that they've sensed something is wrong. Therefore, this all talk about religion and Mandir Masjid, Hindu Muslim is only a ploy to distract the people. People have realized that the 10-year government of the BJP has not helped them.
I will give 15 lakhs to every family. I will bring black money, what Congress has kept outside. Where is that money? The next election he said, मैं किसानों की आमदनी डबल करूंगा. Has he done? When I say, Modi ji, you are a liar, then people say, why this Kharge ji is telling a prime minister a liar like this? But because these are the facts.
The pulse is clear to me from March 4th, 2024. People are fed up of no progress, people are fed up of no jobs, people are fed up of no development. Youth are increasingly very frustrated about the high unemployment, and everybody wants some change. Everybody is today supporting my message of Purogati, Vikasanam, Toril, investment, skilling. This is what people want.
केरल में डबल डिजिट वाली पार्टी बन गए हैं। मैं आपको विश्वास के साथ कहना चाहता हूं, अब केरल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी डबल डिजिट सीट्स वाली भी पार्टी बनने जा रही है।
Across now to Kerala, again 20 seats, 8 to 10 going to the Congress party, Muslim League getting 1 to 3 and CPM getting 6 to 8. So the Congress party showing a better performance, and with the Muslim League probably up to about a 13, possibly 9 to 13 seats. BJP likely to get 1 seat of Thrissur, and a tough contest in Thiruvananthapuram between Shashi Tharoor and Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Union Minister.